I have here in my hand a rock that looks at an ordinary rock, but if I look carefully and try to do something, for example, with a magnet, I realize that the rock is magnetic. It attracts. It's attracted by a magnet, and this magnet is attracting the rock. So this rock is made out of iron and nickel, which is a magnetic material. Now, if I go deeper and I can do the chemical analysis of this rock and measure the isotopic ratios of different chemicals in this rock, I find an astonishing thing. This rock was solidified, it was formed before the Earth was formed, more than 4,500 million years ago. So I'm holding here the oldest thing I will ever hold in my hands, which is a real meteorite that fell from the sky, left over from the material out of which our solar system was formed, out of which our own planet Earth was formed, and it landed and it was recovered. It's a real meteorite. Why is it important to know these things? Why is it important to know things at all? I think knowledge is something that is unique to the human race. We have here our brains, the far more complex, the most complex thing, the most complex structure, the most complex machine in the universe. And we use it to learn, we use it to understand the universe, and just to know things for its own sake. Knowledge for its own sake is part of our culture, is part of our being human condition. So it is so important to know about these things, leading to our own origins, the origins of our solar system, what is life in the universe, how this life can appear in other planets, in other places, how these rocks can form other solar systems as we know today. There are more than 300 solar systems discovered already around our own solar system. So will life appear in those places? Will we have aliens, finally evidence for aliens that there is none so far? We will find life in other places. That's an amazing thing to know. It's an amazing challenge in the future. If we have any purpose on this life, is to face those challenges and learn more and more about our fascinating universe.